Oh, that sounds nice. The Kawasaki just hurt, really did. Oh, I put my window up. Now, if you're thinking about selling your car, just do it the easy way. You can do it through CarWow. All you have to do is upload some photos, give a brief description, then dealers all across the country will bid on your car in an online auction. Then they'll just come to your house, take the car away, and put the money in your account. It is that easy. If you want to do that now, click on the pop-out banner up there or follow the link in the description below. Alternatively, you can do it at a later date, or if you want to tell your friends and family about it, simply Google "Help Me CarWow" and we will help you sell your car. Now it's time to put on the helmet and actually do some racing.
3, 2, 1.
I'm talking everyone. So, how was it for you?
I got new boots on and I couldn't change gear very well, so you got the better of me there.
We're going to let you have another go. On the start, almost try to jump the start.
Okay, so I didn't react quick enough.
It didn't react quick enough, so do it like you're actually jumping the start. That's the trick. Hey Ollie, how's it for you?
First launch was tricky. I didn't have the launch mode on, so I'm going to try it with launch mode.
Yeah, try with launch mode, and when you do it, you've got to time the hands when you think they're going to go down. So it's not watching them go down. You've got to think they're about to go down now.
I got it, mate.
Okay, good luck.